Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Casper Labs. Is the future promising for Casper? It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $70 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let's see what's happening with Casper in real time. What are the official handles saying? What is the community saying? So, guys, let's see what's happening. So, this is from ChartNerd. He follows the technicals of Casper. We have also, I think, seen him in the VELO technicals as well. So this is 5 hours ago. Is Casper replicating Solana's price action in its prior days before it had a recovery? If you remember, guys, Solana has had its bad days as well. So basically, ChartNerd is trying to compare both of them. Remember that Solana was shunted very hard by outages, and it has still recovered tremendously and is doing well. Casper has had some similar issues this year, and it looks as if it's prime buy time for Casper, guys. So, not financial advice. Yeah, guys, not financial advice. Obviously, you have to do your own due diligence, your own research. So, we've got Solana's price action over here. You guys can see that it also had its bad times. And look at this, guys. This was a bad fall. Look at this, almost from 200 something, 200 plus, to all the way down to 7.50 almost, guys. So this was a really bad fall over here, and since that time it has recovered well, and it is also primed to continue to grow in the future, and many saying that it will have its own ETFs as well. And you've seen the Solana memes, guys. The Solana memes also is one of the factors that rebuilt the trust in Solana, as the hype for Solana memes grew as well. So here the people were frustrated, the investors were frustrated. Obviously, a lot of people sold. I'm not saying that Casper will go on and perform like this. It can, it cannot. You have to do your own due diligence, your own research. But guys, Casper also has potential. It also has partnerships going for it, and it also has that X factor as well. So we never know. Obviously, it can go on and die as well. You never know, obviously. But guys, just for comparison, you guys can see over here. Now we've got Solana over here, sorry, Casper over here. So according to ChartNerd, these are the five waves over here. The first one, almost 0.017, 0.02, basically 2 cents, and then a correction, the second wave down. And as you know that in the Elliott waves, the third is with the most momentum and vigor. When this happens, guys, obviously a lot of crucial resistance levels will be penetrated. And if it goes here, guys, I think that we've got a really good chance that the other resistance levels get broken as well. But so it is good in my opinion. So it depends. If it does this, then it would be awesome. Let's see what's happening. The ghost with the most 2 hours ago update. As far as the positive price action goes, we can also go negative, as I told you guys. So look at this. Casper jumped out of the wedge sooner than anticipated and formed a higher low. We need to hold this area. Dropping as low as 0.0112 wouldn't be ideal. So let's hope this move holds and that the past month of building lower highs wasn't a waste. So let's hope, guys, that the momentum that was built doesn't get lost. Okay, we've got chart nerd again. Casper has met its triple top breakdown target at 0.012. Anyways, guys, I would like to see some of the fundamentals now. I saw a post from Crypto Charged as well, which we should see. Look at this, guys. Prove AI a game changer for Casper, October 11th, 2024. So you guys know that Crypto Charged always try and come up with good Casper news as well. So let's see what they have to say. While setbacks could shake investor confidence, Prove AI has too much backing and potential to fall through. A successful launch would not only validate Casper's position, but also energize the market, especially if paired with more favorable conditions. The wait may be tough, but the future is promising for Casper. So according to them, the future is indeed promising, but let's see how it goes. And guys, this one thing is for certain. When we talked about Solana, when it dipped, when it was going through a bad phase, people were pessimistic. But guys, as soon as the price action reverses, we get the energy in the market, guys. The market is energized, and positivity momentum takes the project even further beyond our imagination. So it happens. It has happened before. So let's hope it happens with Casper as well. The time will tell, obviously. So let's see what Crypto Charged have to say.
There's a whole lot of it, right? Because this is the whole. I hope we see something with Prove AI, because Maddie, me and you were discussing the other day. Listen, to me, this thing matters a whole lot of it, right? Because this is the adoption story we talk about with cryptos, right? When we talk about Casper, where do we see that getting into, integrating into society? AI governance, Prove AI, what's the next governance? Prove AI slapped on top. That is an adoption story that I want to be a part of, right? And so, Maddie, we were discussing the other day. It was like, hey, listen, so if this all doesn't work out, and let's just say IBM decides to go with Hedera for AI governance, right? Do we abandon ship?
We've talked about what it would mean if Prove AI fell through and it didn't get deployed. And I think that if we hadn't had the bankruptcy announcement with IPWE, and them not completing their deployments like expected on the network, and we hadn't had the outage where the validators decided to collectively stop the network in order to recover stolen value off the network, which is a positive thing, but we're not going to get back into that. And then mixing that with the bad macro headwinds that really push price down further. I think that if Prove AI doesn't deploy quickly, I think that you could see some investors, start to give up and lose sentiment for the project and want to move on to other things. And I understand that. I think a lot of people are in this project that shouldn't be in this project because they don't understand what they're invested in at all. But nonetheless, I don't have any concerns about this not being deployed. I think that they've, especially a company like IBM, has put too much money and time into this tool to just say, we're not doing this. It's not happening. I think at the minimum, we're going to see successful test deploys. We're going to see a successful implementation. Now, is this going to continue to be the flagship product that's always on Casper? I hope not. I hope that over time we continue to see more and more building. That there's a lot of other applications on Casper that continue to offer a lot of value. But I do think that a successful deployment is going to give a lot of confidence. You're going to see potentially a nice little pop in price if things continue to go well, as investors start to see that there's real building being done on the network. And you pair that just with some more favorable market conditions, I think we'll see some big sentiment change. But like you said, I do think it's important that we start to see some additional real world adoption being implemented on these networks. So we don't have to just talk about things from a hypothetical. We can talk about what's happening today for today. That is nice.
Right, I like that, Maddie. Team, so we have high expectations here. I haven't thought about that, and if it comes, which I don't expect it to, then we'll talk about that then when we have more information. But now, this is coming, all right? Shut up, this is coming, all right? I don't want to hear any of you naysayers. I was going to bring that up on Monday, what Kevin had to say, and me and Matt were just talking. I was explaining it to him out loud, and I was just like, you know what, this is a little bit too, because we were just talking about his LinkedIn. I'm like, yeah, he's been at Casper Labs for 6 to 8 months now. So this is what are we even talking about here, right? We're talking about someone writing, his position at Casper Labs wrong and just swapping it out for Prove AI, which is not a company. So, I think that's just a mistake there, and we can just move on from that.
So, guys, it is yet to be seen when Proof AI launches for Casper and whether it is a success or not, but let's hope for the best. So, to cap this video off, guys, let's see what's happening with official Casper X handle. Let's see if we've got anything new. Okay, so we've got a post over here, October 11th. Casper supports the show with a grant system. Talking about the Killer Whales show, I think, yeah, the Killer Whales show with the grant system, ensuring, by the way, Killer Whales is Hello Labs show, ensuring projects can build on the Casper network. It is a crucial aspect of the space, and we're thrilled to have the support. Guys, in Killer Whales, like Shark Tank, in which business ideas are discussed in Killer Whales, different projects pitch their idea that yeah, what they're doing, and then the whales, the judges judge them basically. So look at this. Sander Gorgias, co-founder and CEO of Hello Labs, says that Casper supports the show with a grant system. So any project that comes onto the show, we make sure they're aware that they can build on Casper. There's also a possibility to participate and get in contact with you guys and make sure they actually start applying the technology they need. The support there is super important. It is one of the most overlooked things in this space, but we're very happy with Casper being on the show and providing that type of support. So, guys, this is a win win situation for both because this is an automatic. Marketing campaign for Casper, as well as a lot of different shows, they will get the opportunity to be aware about Casper, and vice versa. They will have the opportunity to basically build on Casper as well, do future collaborations and a lot of that stuff. If any good project takes off and they are basically they build on Casper, that will be awesome, guys. So, in my opinion, this is great. But let's hope that Killer Whales season 2 or season 3, I think it is season 2, yeah. Let's hope it picks up pace as well. Anyways, guys, what do you guys think about the future of Casper? Do you think it is promising or not? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.